Dear Doctor, this is Fan Jin, and here is my project presentation of pattern recognition. My topic is the design and simulation of the vehicle license plate recognition. Here's the outline of this presentation, and it consists of here is the outline, the problem of the presentation, and the four parts: the performance evaluation, and the conclusion. The existing approach, the performance evaluation here, and the conclusion. The first part, and I listed the four main problems. The first one is the problem I faced during my design of this project. Four main problems that I faced during more than 20 kinds of vehicle license design of this project exists in Florida. First, each of them have more than 20 kinds of structures, backgrounds, colors, exist in Florida, size, and each of them have different structures. It's quite difficult to backgrounds, different design one and different strategy to cover all these vehicles. It's quite difficult to design one strategy that cover all these vehicle template library. And the second, to match the segmented character and final step, and the last step of the recognition is to match template, the segmented character with the template. And it needs a standard template library. Process of image processing, and for this I even went to the DMV, but the answer is still no. The key part of my project. Third one is the process of image processing, and there's no specific strategy to cover all kinds of plates because it is design. It has different features, and plate recognition is feature-based features, and the fourth is the design of a friendly interface using MATLAB. The reason I want to design an interface is friendly internship using MATLAB improves the whole quality of my project, but I haven't learned any software before. Improves the quality of my project, but I haven't learned any software. I'm not sure whether there are some existing approaches for the vehicle license plates in Florida. I thought it should have some, but I don't think they would tell me. I'm not sure whether there are any existing approaches. I will introduce my design, and my method is, as there are more than 20 kinds of vehicle license plates, I choose the most common one in Florida. The one is here the example. You can see that there's the orange part in the center of the my method is, as there are more than 20 kinds of vehicle license plates, and before introducing the here's the example, processing steps, I want to see something of the input of my image, central part. And there are two requirements of the input image, and one is no tilt angle processing steps I want between the camera and the plate input image. That means your camera should directly face the no tilt angle between the camera and the plate. Second is that the license plate should locate at the central part of the whole image. This is the basic principle for the plate location central part of the image, one of the first steps. And this is the reason I will show you the plate location next pages of the one of the first steps. And here is the processing step, and here of my plate recognition. It has two steps. It has three parts. First is the pre-image processing, and the second is the plate location and the segmentation. Plate location and third is the template matching. Third is the template matching. Okay. First is pre-image processing. It pre-image processing. It also consists of three parts: the binarization and the noise removal. Binarization and the noise removal. As all of these have been covered in the last semester, I want to say more about the image processing. I want to mention more of choose of the threshold, and just one I want to mention is the choose of the threshold. I will show this is quite critical for the first steps, and here's the picture I will show for the next several pages. Three steps, and you can see that the whole image has been separated of the several output of the united steps. You could see that the whole image has been separated to the several united areas or the white areas. There could be the smallest plate location and segmentation cover square, and actually all the further processing areas based on the location of the orange part calculated, and again you can see That's the example, quite which is in the center of the vehicle license plate. Second is also the plate location and the central part of the whole image. That's why last step you could get all the smallest cover square image should for each united area. And further processing is based on the location size. Here is orange part. Several data I measured from the plate. You could see that the orange part is also one of the orange part is nearly a square area, and it could be detected by calculating the distance covered by a centroid and from the central point of the whole image. Measurement of the myself, because it could be seen that the orange part is nearly a square. Image you could see that thus the whole orange part has been different detected. That's why I should choose the detection by better threshold, calculating its distance for this one from its and further and once it has been detected as the size and the location of the orange part is in the center parts of the vehicle license plate. Then the characters could be discarded, covered, and segmented. And also in the central part of the whole image. That's why I would also mention is the like that. And once the orange part of the smallest cover area, these function for the whole united areas. The size and the location of the character parts are also covered to the orange part. And then the character parts could be discovered and segmented. The third one is the template matching. Then is the my method is pixel by pixel. The method I choose is pixel by pixel. All my segmented characters and the templates have the same size. I choose all my segmented characters with the same size. Binarization, they are just have two values for each pixels. And by matching the image, every pixel could just have two values, and then with the whole matching each pixel template binary and choose the biggest matching one every closest template one in my library, and then choose those might be different, but almost because if they are the same, they will be same. They contain the same information. Nearly all is the design of my interface are the same. I use a guide model of the MATLAB, and here is my interface is simple. It just has three buttons: image input, processing, and the clear. All the functions will be shown for the next step of demo. I just use the guide mode, and here is included in the performance evaluation. It has three buttons, and here is the image input, image processing, output image of my clear button. And all the functions will be finally further shown in the demo part. And first design of this project could recognize the particular vehicle license performance evaluation. This means just one plate and includes the orange. Here and the second is the recognition rate result, and accuracy is rely on the quality of the input image. These images are also took by myself. Advantage it also the results contains segmented work for this particular license plate. For this design, and is based on specifics. The design of the project could recognize the particular vehicle license plate. Just for this, but finally. After the project, I have learned a lot rate from this project design, which makes quality of very happy image. Okay, and then it would be my demo. I have mentioned just work for this particular license plate. I will type the main function because it's the image principle is based on this specific structure. After type processing, it will be shown the segmented characters and the matching there I have is requirement for and then I import image. Press it clear, all they will be gone, and I can choose another one. Through this project, I have learned a lot, and it makes me the rate is different for the picture. Okay, quality. Here's my clear demo part. Okay, that's all my presentation. First, I will type in the main function. Actually, and then let's say press this, and you can have a choice of your input images. Then I choose one, and the process processing, you could see the result have been shown, and after clear, all the images were gone, were deleted, and I could choose another one. Then processing, you could be also show, but you could realize that the recognition rate is different for the quality of the image. Clear, even this one. Oh, it means looks dirty. Okay, it could also be shown. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you, Dr. Wu.